In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add these beautiful slideshow sections to your Shopify theme. They have interactive buttons, and they also even slide just by moving your cursor across them and clicking down. As you can see here, they look pretty beautiful on desktop, but also on mobile. They also look pretty awesome as well too. So you may be wondering how these are set up and how they work. Well, if we go out to the section level here, you'll notice that we can adjust the width to either a fixed width if we want to scale them in and set it manually. Or if you're using a Dawn or Horizon theme, you can use those widths. Or if you're a developer, you can even set your own custom width with a CSS class. With that being said, there is another layer inside the section called Layout Slideshow. In that layer, you'll notice that you can go to editing mode content and then adjust some of the different slider sections. So we can even make this autoplay if we want to automatically cycle through these different sections here. And if we want to, we can click into each one of the groups, adjust the image, even add a link to the image or a border radius. And in each one of the groups, we can adjust the text. We can adjust the heading text and so on. If we hover over any of the blocks, we can also adjust the text as well. Now, you may be wondering how we can add these sections to our theme, and it is through this app called Flexi. And for full transparency, I am a professional Shopify developer working on Shopify sites for the better part of 5+ years now. And even though that it took a long time to craft these sections, I typically charge $1,000 per section. I've made this library just $12 per month. And considering it's a suite of maintained and beautiful sections, and it feels like having a developer in your back pocket, it's $12 a month is a pretty good deal, especially considering I would typically charge $1,000 to develop each one of these sections. So with that being said, once the app is installed, we can go over into the app and then select slider sections. And we can search for the section that we demoed in this video, and it is called Slideshow. You'll notice that there's 3 different options here, and all you need to do is select your theme, hit save up top, and then hit add section. Then the section will be installed in your theme, and then all you'll need to do is hit plus, search Slideshow. I'll drag and drop in Slideshow 1. And as you can see here, it looks already pretty good out of the box, but we can make it look better by adding in some sort of image. I'm going to add one in of this cafe worker here, and I'm going to scroll to the slide we just edited and then change the text to coffee lovers. And as you can see here, it's already starting to shape up and look not too bad. Let's also give that a little bit more width as well. And then scroll over there. Yeah, that's looking pretty good so far. Anyways, if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment on this video. And also, if you're actively working inside of Shopify themes, I highly recommend you subscribe to my YouTube channel where I teach how to add different sections and different Shopify theme customizer tips. Anyways, if you found this video useful, also consider giving it a like, and cheers.